So Nick talked about leveraging DroneDeploy to do an aerial site survey using the lay of the land, as it were, of a project Precon teams to then utilize for their bid package construction. Another aspect that you can use DroneDeploy for is our ground-based interior 360 capture, where you can actually do a site walk and an interior walk to actually document the conditions of the site, not only for Precon, but to sort of piggyback off of what Nick said, so that your estimators can actually have a record of the project they can always go back to. They don't have to, get in the car or get on the train to go and visit the project again, or just hope that they documented everything that they could using, regular standard photos. They've got a 360-degree view of the site and everything therein, so that they can go back and reference this as they're putting their bid packages together and making sure that they're writing the scopes of work appropriately and documenting everything there. So for pre-mobilization, or right before construction starts, getting out to site and actually documenting the existing conditions, making sure you understand what needs to be protected. Most city or municipalities really like to have their trees protected and want you to make sure that you guarantee that they will be protected throughout the construction process. But you can imagine also make sure you're documenting close neighboring properties and anything that is not included in your scope of work, but is close to it, that may be damaged and might come up later in a dispute. So cover yourself by doing a good site walk, making sure that you're covering the exterior and the interior, which I'll jump to here. On the interior, just like on the exterior, you really want to make sure that you're documenting, especially if it's like an interior renovation. Again, areas of the site that need to be protected are to remain in place, so that you have those documented, the condition of those documented well. And again, the 360-degree view that the cameras provide allow you to do that really easily and quickly, so that you can get in, do this capture, know and have the peace of mind that you documented this area really well, and that if you need to go back and reference it later, to cover yourself in a dispute, or again, going back to the Precon use case, if an estimator needs to come back and utilize this as a reference as they're building out the scopes, this is a great use case for that. You see here, left side of the screen, we've got our drawing sheet, we've got the path that was taken. I can jump to any point on this as needed. And on the right side of the screen, it actually shows me the 360 bubble that I can actually navigate and use to view whatever it is that I'm focused on. Zoom is possible here, but yeah, this is something that becomes really valuable as construction begins to happen, making sure that you've got yourself covered with the existing conditions documented, so that you know how things were before the process of construction started.